Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a natural hairstyle that I've done like a while back, but I never did record it. I have a picture that I can show y'all right here, and it's like a Bantu knot out. So I'm just gonna remake that on my dirty hair. So I took down my jumbo knotless box braids like a week ago, and I've been wearing my hair like this at work for like the past week. So I've been trying to just like leave the braids alone and do a style that it's not a lot of manipulation, and it's just free, you know. So yeah, this is how my hair been looking. A hot mess, you know. Don't get on to me when I take this hat off because it is a hot mess. But I have a couple products that I'll be using to help me get this cute little style. Hopefully it comes out the same way as I envisioned it, but if it don't, I know it's still gonna look cute though. But it's gonna be done on dirty hair. I haven't washed my hair. I've just been trying to wait because my birthday's coming up, so I'm trying to, like, you know, wait it out before I get like a sew-in. So yeah guys, so continue watching. Woo! Look at that. The first thing I'm gonna be using is some water. You know, you gotta get the hair all wet. So I'm gonna just part in half. First thing to do is part my hair in half so I can do it by section. Sorry the lighting changed. It got dark outside and I've been doing other stuff with my kids. So finally their dad got home to watch them while I do my hair. So now that it's like damp right now, I'm gonna do this detangler. It's the Hawaiian Silk Miracle Worker. Spray it in my hand. I sprayed it in my hand before my hair because the way that it looks like lotion. So that's how it looks. So I just spray it in my hand first and kind of warm it up in my hands and get it like loosened up, and then I put it on my hair like that. Just back half up. These two products I'm gonna be using, y'all, right here. Can y'all see that? Yeah, boy. All right. So I already sectioned off what I'm gonna be using. I just put some on my hand. I just rake it through my hair. Remember, my hair already got like some product on it, so I shouldn't need too much, but I still kind of just put it on my hair just to be safe, so that it's evenly curled all around my hair. And okay, so I do got shaded hair still in my hair, so I'm gonna lightly, nicely, softly kind of comb at the end and work my way up a little bit. Now this comb is not fine, so you see it, it's like that. So I just kind of work my way up. I don't want to do it too much, but it gets that hair out of the, it helps for later whenever I get ready to wash my hair too, you know. But all right, so I comb that out, got that done. So I do a twist and then the Bantu knot, so that's what I'm gonna do. I got the hair, break my hand through it too, just to make sure. Yep, got that hair all out of my hand. But now you're gonna see me twist. Remember, my parts are not neat or anything. They don't have to be neat, but now I'm gonna twist. And I try to twist tight because I want them tight, so whenever I get to fluffing it out, it's cute. You have a nice curl. So yeah. So I twist first, right? When I get to the end, I might comb it out. Just depends on how I feel. But yeah, comb it and twist it all the way to the end. Get there, and then I'm just gonna twist it around. Oh shit! Twist. And make a little Bantu knot. Like that. And then I just keep going. Sorry about my edges, y'all. But yeah, that's kind of how I do all around my hair. So keep watching, y'all, and I'll see y'all when I'm finished. Alright guys, so it's the next day and I'm getting ready to show y'all how I unravel my Bantu knot twist. So I'm going to be using this herbal oil, African's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. And so this is the oil I use to like help me take down my, so let's take this down. You know, see I put on a little bit of makeup. But yeah, so this is what it looks like. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this oil in my hand. Got that in my hand. Kind of rub it in. I didn't show you how much I put in there, but I got like a quarter size. So I put it in my hand and I'm gonna start in the back. So I unravel it. Ooh, love, it's tight. So the reason why I slept with this was because my hair was more wet than I wanted it to be. And so to get that curl I wanted, I had to sleep on it. See, it's still kind of damp right there, but we're gonna still unravel this and see what it gives us. Like it didn't turn out right. I told y'all it's not gonna turn out right. Let's see. So let's just unravel them first. Let's do that first. Kind of see what we get out of this. Now go unravel them, just rubbing my hands down there. You know, like every time like you do your hair and it looks good when you don't record it, and then when you try to remake that video, when you try to remake that video, it comes out totally the opposite of what you expected. So, but we're gonna make it work.
Perfect.
Okay, y'all, this is kind of the final look. It looks like a fro, so I don't know if it's I don't know if y'all would think this is a success or a fail, but it's kind of cute. You know, I can kind of like fix it up, maybe put it up in like a high puff. I don't know, I kind of like it like this. This is like a little fro, but because the curl didn't pop as I thought it would, so this is how it turned out, y'all. And I was trying to shake my hair and kind of get it to look some type of way, but I don't know, y'all. So tell me what y'all think about this. Can y'all see me rocking this? Does it look cute on me or what? I don't know, y'all. Let me know down in the comment section. Tell me what y'all think about this. Okay, guys, so I tried this high puff look. And I guess it looks alright. I've been messing with it so much that, yeah, this has become a fro. But, yeah, so if you want to get this look, you know how to do it from the previous recording. But, this is not too bad. I like it. I like it. Now I'm going to try something else and see how it looks. I guess like 2 puffs and some down, maybe. See how that looks. Let's see. Alright, guys, so this is like the little puff look. I got 2 puffs and then I left the back out. So it's a cute little style, a little girl. Tell me what y'all think. I don't know, fail, success, because I was able to make different styles with it. I don't know what y'all think, but comment down below, tell me what I could have done, which I already know kind of what I could have done differently. I was just trying to do it on dirty hair to see, you know, what kind of outcome will come from it. But I see that it didn't work as planned. But if y'all could comment down below and tell me what y'all think I should do differently next time, and then I'll try to remake this video and see what it comes out to looking like. But thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all on my next video. Bye.